Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So in today's recipe, I am going to share this amazing simple hack for all those busy women who wants to have this gajar ka halwa or carrot halwa, but yet the process seems to be very lengthy and long and it takes much time and they skip it. But trust me, if you follow the simple tips and tricks, you will surely have an amazing carrot halwa or gajar ka halwa. Here I have taken half a kg of carrots. I have washed them nicely and I have peeled them nicely, and now put it aside. Now take a chopper board and cut the edges, the front and the ending one, and then just cut it into half like this. Repeat the same process with the remaining ones also, and take a pressure cooker and add all the chopped carrot pieces into the pressure cooker. Now I have taken half a liter of full fat raw milk. I didn't boil the milk earlier. Directly I am adding the raw milk into the carrots in the pressure cooker. Now allow the pressure cooker to get 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, let it cool and then remove the lid. Now see, your carrots are nicely boiled or cooked nicely. I'll just show you. If you have a masher like this at home, you can mash it. Otherwise, you can mash it with any ladle. See, I'm just showing you with the help of spoon. It's easily cut nice. So this is the texture you needed. Just for 3 whistles, it will be fine. Now with the help of the masher, just mash nicely all the carrots. Turn off the flame now. If you turn on the flame and cook it, there are chances that you may burn your hand. So turn off the flame and then just mash it nicely, because the vapor from the milk, it may burn you. So after mashing nicely, again turn on the stove, and then on medium flame or high flame you can cook it. If you are a starter, you should cook it on a low flame, but if you are a pro then you can cook it on high flame. Now your main mission is all the milk should get evaporated or nicely cooked. So see, only 3 to 5 spoons of milk is left in this pressure cooker. Now at this point, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and then 7 tablespoons of sugar, or else according to your taste. So it depends on the sweetness of the carrots also, you need to add the sugar. So better add little sugar in the beginning, taste it, and then add it according to your taste if required. Now see, after adding sugar, again water comes out from the sugar. So again you need to allow all the carrot cook nicely with the sugar syrup. So after that, you can see edges are turning off. You can nicely see on the edges that the ghee we have added, it's nicely cooked and the sweet is removing from the edges. So at that time, add dry fruits of your choice and a pinch of ilachi powder or cardamom powder, and then that's it. You can serve it hot. This carrot halwa or gajar ka halwa is very easy, and it has the same texture and same taste as you do it in the age old method. That is, you need to grate it for hours together, and then you have to boil the milk and get the milk to half the quantity, and again add this carrot, and then again if you add sugar, and again this all process is very lengthy. But trust me, if you follow the simple tips and tricks, you can enjoy this gajar ka halwa. So do subscribe my channel. Thank you.